Welcome to Berrima Diesel Service. Berrima Diesel has been around for a very long time. We have customers come from all corners of Australia and even the surrounding islands to get the special Berrima Diesel service. With 60 years experience in this scene since 1956, it's 3 generations. Father, passed down to son, it's now passed down to grandson. So it's a pretty unique thing about Berrima Diesel. The founding father of Berrima Diesel Service is Reinhard Leimroth. He began his trade with Robert Bosch diesel fuel injection in Germany back in 1956. And when he was finished his apprenticeship, he was obviously so good at doing what he did that they sent him actually over to Australia. Before he knew it, he was up in Sydney. After about 20 years of living down in Sydney, Dad and Mum made the move down to the beautiful Southern Highlands to the lovely quaint town of Berrima. And here we are today. We've been tuning diesels ever since then. I'm Andrew Leimroth, and in about the mid-80s I began my apprenticeship and I began my life as a diesel tuning expert. I brought along a lot of later technology and obviously experience as I grew older. We're now at 3rd generation in our business here, which is my son Trent. And I guess we all have our own specialty. It's interesting seeing Trent coming on as an apprentice in our business, and he's diving deep into the dyno tuning, the engine computer, mapping and specialised tuning in the electronic scene. It's very interesting to see the 3 generations and the different parts of this business that we all play a very important part in. The very long-standing connection we've had within the industry has actually assisted us in promoting the fact that diesels can have power, don't need to smoke. In fact, for us, they're really the best engine to be having around. It was in the early 1990s that big changes came in the diesel tuning world. EFI control appeared in diesels. We went straight into this new way of diesel tuning. We pioneered some early tuning products, and that grew to what it is today, and that's the DP chip tuning range that we offer. It's the fact that we get out in 4-wheel drive, tour and travel around this country has given us a first-hand experience to the needs of our customers. Diesel is in my family's DNA. When thinking diesel, think Berrima Diesel. We truly are the original diesel experts.